Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm doing the next in my dollar store series, and what that is basically I just asked fans to send me some fun things from the dollar store. So Paige Allen from San Diego sent me this really cool mirror, and I thought A, it would be cool to pour on this, and B, it'd be cool to just pour over because it should give me a really cool pattern. I'm kind of running low on bigger canvases, so I decided to do this as a diptych with two 9x12 canvases. And I thought because it kind of looks like a burst, I would kind of do sunset colors. So that's what we're going to do. I'm using the Artist Loft Ready Mixed Pouring Paints. These are paints that are just ready to go right out of the bottle. You don't mix anything into them, and you get them at Michael's. They're a Michael's brand. So I'm starting with white. And then I'm going to go ahead and go with yellow. And I'm doing pretty much light to dark on the colors here. And then let's go with some gold. Uh-oh. This one still has that thing in it. I keep forgetting. I love, love, love the gold in this paint. And then the orange also is just gorgeous. Okay, and then we're going to go with some red. And I definitely need to fill this whole cup up. So I'm going to relayer a few colors. And then I'm also going to add a darker blue on that outside. I'm going in with more gold. Let's throw a little bit more yellow. Tiny bit more white. And then the blue I'm going to use is this called Bright Blue. I got a littler bottle of it here. So this will go on the outside. It's called Bright Blue, but it's pretty dark actually. And then tiny bit of black. I'm hoping this is going to be enough paint, but I might need to add a little more paint on the outsides. Actually, I probably definitely am, but okay. So the goal is to not get it on the mirror. I'm going to pour slowly around here. Okay, good. So if anything, this will just be fun. But I think we're going to get something hopefully really cool. Now overall this is coming out a little darker than I wanted, and since I need more paint anyways, I'm going to go ahead and add some more lighter in my cup. So white, yellow, gold, and orange. Go ahead and do a tiny bit of red too. Okay. And we'll just layer a bit more here. So that way that should kind of push the dark more outside with the lighter inside. Yay! So far so good. Did not get 100% coverage on the mirror because it's going in between the grooves, which is totally fine. And I think I shall wipe off the paint from this edge here. Alright, but for now, I'm going to go ahead and carefully move the mirror off and put it to the side. I'm not going to do anything else with it. I don't need to like tilt it or anything. So, carefully. Excellent. This looks so cool. Okay. Now these are not attached in any way, so tilting them together is going to be interesting. I'm kind of just holding them together right now. You do not have to tilt them together though. For a diptych, they actually look totally fine even if you tilt them separately. Just going back and forth here a bit. This is not easy, so, you know, Don't try this at home. Actually, do try it. Okay. I'm going to tilt a little more back this way, and then I'm going to tilt them separately to finish them off before I drop them. Okay. I think that's fine. So a diptych does not have to perfectly match. It just needs to basically go together in some way, shape, or form. So that's okay. I'll go ahead and tilt these. I'm so happy with these colors. The paintings definitely came out darker than I thought. I guess I used quite a bit of that dark blue and it kind of took over, but I'm loving it. It's not like super dark or anything. Gorgeous. Really love the depth of this paint. Okay. I do want to tilt just a little more this way. There we go. So still quite a good match. All right, I'm going to go ahead and touch up my sides, and then we'll do a close-up. Okay, let's go ahead and do our close-up. I actually moved these over to a bit of a cleaner area, so it's not as messy. All right, so this is the one on the right. Gorgeous, gorgeous depth and colors in this. I seriously could not be more happy. I have a thing for lines, and I also really like things that kind of look like stone. That blue gives it a definitely interesting color. So this did not come out at all as I had anticipated, but I really like it. Here's both of them together. And here is our mirror. Because the paint's thinned out, because a lot of it ran off, it's definitely more subdued colors. I think it's super cool. I'll be cleaning up the edge there. Just grab a paper towel to wipe it off. But awesome. So thank you so much to Paige for sending me the mirror, and thank you to everyone else that sent me items for the Dollar Store series. So stay tuned for the next one.